Hi everyone, today I would like to show you in DIAView, uh, depending on the number of your variable, and you will compare the value to the another variable. It's like you will monitor one variable in DIAView, and you will also have the another database file, okay, or maybe another data source file like the Excel or something. Or you might have the database file like the Microsoft SQL Server. So in data source file, maybe in Excel, you will have the sorry, you will have the level and also the tank value. So you will have two data. So the first variable is level, and the second variable is another variable called tank volume. So depending on the number of the variable in the VI view, depending on your data value of the level value, depending on your level value, and it will check the data source file. And for example, if it is match, for example, level value 0 millimeter or something, so it will automatically write to the another variable uh, 24226 value. Or if the level value is 3, it will write to another variable which is called 25801. So we will monitor we monitor this variable every time, and if it changes, it will automatically write to the another variable with the assigned value. So you will have the, for example, in this demonstration, I will use the Excel file, and I will keep monitoring the level variable and check the variable in the Excel file, and if it is matched to the level value, okay, and it will automatically assign the for the associated time volume data to time volume variable. So in DIAView, you need to create these two variables first, and then we will try to demonstrate it. So so this is my DI view. Right now I'm using version 4.4. So it's called data transfer test. So for this step, I create the simulation device, and in my device, I created the two variables, two internet variables, and I link it with the variable in my variable dictionary. Okay, so I have the two tag, which is called the level and tank volume. Okay, both read and write. And also I created a new window, and this one is the level value. I link with the variable level, and also the tank volume. I link with the tank volume. And this one in demonstration I will try to change the level value. So in even I in the analog value input, I link with the variable doc level. Okay, so our demonstration is we have the Excel file in outside external. So I have the Excel file in I stored my Excel file in, okay, which is called, the name is the metadata, and is in the, you can check the location is in C download. So in here, so you need to note it down with for the your data source location. Now I use the Excel file, and I have the data source like this. Okay, level and tank volume, and sheet name is C1, and the Excel workbook name is Excel metadata. So you have two columns, level and tank volume, and you have the value. Okay, if is the value is level value is changed to 9, and you will write the 28956 this value to the temp volume variable. So I already created the variable and also the window page. Okay, so for this one I will create a new script which is called the condition script. And in condition script, you can click add, and you can also add the expression and also the trigger mode and also the script content. So the most important one is these three: expression, trigger mode, and also the script content. So the first one, I will use the Excel file. So I will give the name, and click enable. And expression, I will monitor the variable of the level value. When it changes, the script will work, right? So I link with the variable level, and trigger mode, I choose the value change. And in script content, okay, you need to write the in DIAView, use the VB script. You need to write the script for this purpose. So right first, I created the variable, and I opened the Excel, and also I opened the like worksheet workbook, and also I write the script content. It will monitor the level variable, and when it's changed, and then it will write to the what we call variable tank volume. To it will retrieve the data from the Excel file. Okay, it will retrieve the value. Okay, it will monitor the level value in the Excel file, and also after the level value change, it will write to the time volume variable. Okay, so this is the script content. So we need to write this script, and that's all. So you need to write the expression, select the trigger mode, and write the script for this purpose. Okay, and then I will try to run the project file. Okay, and we test this. This is the initial value. So uh, maybe I will change to 1. Okay, I will write it. Okay, you can see 24751. So I will check my Excel file 24751. I will change back to 0. 24226. I will change like 10. 29481. 10 29481. Okay, maybe 25. 37067. Okay, okay. So this is the demonstration of you use the Excel file as the data source, and you will keep monitoring the one variable, and you will retrieve another variable value, and then write it to this another type variable. Okay. So in this demonstration, I will use the Excel file, and I will write the script, and then it will keep monitoring the level value, and then it will write the associated data to time volume variable. Okay, thank you.